It started with a blackout, then the cell towers went silent. Within hours, stores were empty, chaos erupted, and the world as we knew it changed. Most people assumed the power would come back soon. They weren't ready. No backup power, no food stocked up, no way to get news. But for those who prepared, it was just another day. Day 2. No power. Money is useless. No way to call for help. People who relied on just-in-time deliveries faced empty shelves and desperation. But for the prepared, it was still just another day. Day 5. The new reality. People were getting desperate. If you had food, water, or power, you became a target. This wasn't the end of the world, but for many it felt like it. For those who prepared, it was just another day. The lessons. A few weeks later, the grid came back. But those who lived through it never saw the world the same way again. The question is, will you be ready next time? At alwaysbereadyusa.com, we help you stay prepared. Blackout kits, emergency food, solar power. Everything you need to turn chaos into just another day. Get 10% off with promo code FRIEND10. Be ready before it's too late. Always be ready.